First time on the whole universe, पहली बार on the whole internet, I am starting digital SAT crash course. But why I am saying that first time? Because there are lots of digital SAT courses already available. So the reason is simple. In the last 3 years, I received this message 100 times. I am from India. I want to prepare for SAT, but in English. I am starting digital SAT crash course in Hinglish. But it's just the beginning, because after this we have the whole course in English language on the way. That's why first on the internet. But stop, I have one condition. I never said this before because I'm not a typical content creator, but it's mandatory for the success of this crash course, which is subscribing to my YouTube channel. So just go and subscribe. I started this crash course from the scratch, and the good news is that I also included all practice tests. For example, if you are watching lecture number 3, so just click on the description and you can find a practice test link where I added questions according to that lecture. So you can just watch the whole lecture, clear your concept, and you can practice. For more details, check out the description and my YouTube channel. So let's start this journey towards 1600, and I want to make sure that you will definitely score more than 1500 after completing this course. So thank you. Let's cross the sky limits together and just start this course. I'm super excited, and I think you also. So let's start.